ReviveRI is committed to creating a reopening plan for the Westerly Education Center workforce training programs that will keep students safe and anxiety-free. While we were constructing our plan, we received feedback from our team members, Westerly Education Center faculty, our business coach, and mentors. Our current solutions are mixed reality, UV disinfection, electrostatic sanitization, and a mobile app. To test our prototypes this week, we reached out to the Westerly Education Center staff via a survey which was available for 2 days. We only received 6 responses, all of which were positive. We presented Rachel, the business manager of the Westerly Education Center, with our current prototypes, and she gave us her thoughts on what she thought would be most beneficial for the center. From here, we will continue to perfect our ideas and make them a reality.
The Microsoft HoloLens is our main solution. When implemented, the students will be able to receive a live video feed from the instructor, who will be wearing a headset and are able to give input through speaking, placing arrows, drawings, and objects. We first started with the idea of virtual reality, which immerses the user into a completely computer-generated environment. Soon after looking into the details of virtual reality, we realized it was outside of our capability to create an app with unique 3D visuals. In addition, the electric boat courses at the Westerly Education Center require interaction with the hands-on environment. We transitioned into researching mixed reality and what the Microsoft HoloLens provided. We requested that Envision record a demo of the HoloLens at the Westerly Education Center for us so we could gain perspective on how classes would operate with the technology. We met with Electric Boat to see their opinion on having classes through mixed reality and use their feedback to improve on the execution of our solution. One of our mentors suggested that we provide learning sessions for instructors on the technology, so we communicated with Envision, and Kylo Mueller agreed to go out and train instructors at the center on the HoloLens so they would understand how to use the technology and feel comfortable.
Another aspect of our solution, which addresses safety precautions and protocols, is the idea of using UVC light. This is an effective and cost-efficient cleaning method that has been proven to destroy bacteria such as MERS, SARS, and certain strains of coronavirus. Originally, the executive director of the WEC was worried about safety with using this technology, but our team began looking into how the technology worked and which versions of the light are safe. Using this information, our team came up with the concept of an autonomous UVC cleaning robot for the WEC. However, after meeting with a 3D modeling company named Kicker Design, we learned that creating a robot was too expensive and unrealistic with the amount of time available. So we began sketching out concepts for a UV mini fridge, which would clean smaller objects, including the Microsoft HoloLens. After creating a couple of sketches, we began designing a 3D model in Tinkercad, where we began to be more specific with dimensions. Our team also considered implementing overhead sprinkler disinfection methods, but that idea evolved into a handheld device that sprays electrostatic disinfectant and can be used in between classes for quick cleaning.
Very early in brainstorming, our group decided we want to develop an app to provide resources to both staff and students at the Westerly Education Center. Originally, we considered a variety of features, including an interactive map of the facility and a UV mini fridge tracker for HoloLens devices. Our team determined that these features did not directly address our problem statement, and we decided to drop them. Instead, we decided to focus on a symptom survey for students to take prior to arriving at WEC and making accessible lesson recordings for students who need to stay at home. Another feature we hoped to include was a temperature scanner that would be paired with the app. After research, we discovered it was too complex and time-consuming to incorporate into our final design. Our mentor, Erica Smith, provided us with feedback regarding the appearance and organization of the app, which we addressed. Similar to our app, our website provides a platform for students to access the symptom survey as well as updates from the WEC and COVID-19 articles to keep students informed.
All of our solutions will help the Westerly Education Center reopen safely while still providing an engaging education. We have learned a lot in the past few weeks, including that the first ideas are not always going to be final, and all of our solutions will continue to evolve. All the feedback we have received has allowed for our corporation to continue growing and for our solutions to be improved.
We are ReviveRI's. Blossom
into the
future.